What y'all doing? It's Monday. Let's do a makeup tutorial. As promised, I want to use these. These look like so much fun. I actually want to use the pink and the blue. I think I might do a neutral eye, that way these liners really pop. I'm going to start with this Juvia's base. Juvia's Place base. It's the rhyming for me. I will say with this one, we need to shake it up. It's very water-based and it can separate, which is normal, but just make sure you shake it up. Apply this with our Nisa Beauty eye treatment brush. I think there's going to be enough on the brush for both eyes. There is. This one's very pigmented. I find that a little bit of this one goes a very long way. And I definitely need to get more colors in it. So we're not going to go to town with this palette, but I liked how they had a little bit of pink undertone. That's going to be pretty with the pink liner. I'll be using this palette again, and we'll be using the shimmers, but let's try it out, and let's try out these mattes. I'm going to grab my little shader brush here. This is a prototype. And I'm going to grab it and just kind of start pressing it through here. Yeah, this is going to be so pretty. I think we might just make this incredibly soft and just use this one color. It looks very pigmented right now, but I am just going to continue to kind of tap it out. I'm using that shadow just on one side of the brush. That way I can just keep tapping, bring it out this way. And then we'll just continue until it smooths out and blend this up towards the brow. We're going to grab this shade from the palette. This is the Scott Barnes 61. And we're just going to go above that first darker shade that we laid down. Just kind of tap it back and forth. And then just to pull this a little more pink, I'm actually going to go find a pink eyeshadow. Okay, so we're going to grab this shade. This is a Cara Beauty palette. It's called Beyond the Sky. I love these. These are slept on. And I'm just going to grab this on this brush, and you can see how much I picked up. See how you can barely see it? These are pretty pigmented, so I don't want to get wild. We can always build it up if we need to. This is a really good way if you don't just want to do a pink look. A lot of times you can grab different colors and you can transition them, because a lot of times browns and shades that we're very comfortable with, they have undertones in them of pinks and reds, and kind of just using a little bit of a pink to transition. It still keeps the look very neutral, but it just adds a little bit of depth. All right, let's clean up our lid. I'm thinking about just doing nothing on my lid, because every time I've been using this micellar water, I've been loving the way it looks, and I think it'll really make our liners pop. So let's just kind of clean this up. Already to the good part. So these are technically not new, but it's a metallic formula. So NYX has always had their Epic Wear eyeliner. These are just metallic. We're going to be using the shade Teal Metal and Fuchsia Metal. I don't know what that meant, but it's excitement. This had no business being this cute. So I started with the Fuchsia Metal shade, and all I did is I went through here. And I stopped it about right there, and then I just kind of perfected it. Apparently this is my first day recording a tutorial, because I thought I hit record, I didn't. So what I did is I just finished this end, and then I grabbed the pink again. Okay. And I went like this. And then to get this cool shade in the middle, I just kind of took my fingernail and kind of mixed them together. So cool. I'm feeling spicy today. Let's grab the fuchsia shade, and I'm just going to relax my eye. That's kind of how I did it before. Go right where my eye folds with that shade, and then kind of finish it off. Connect with the blue. Micellar water. Don't know why I need to whisper it, like it's a secret. Alright, so now we're going to do some mascara. You guys know I'm testing out a mascara. I can't tell you what it is yet, but I'm excited to see these results. Waiting for my floofy lashes to dry. I call them floofers. These are so good. So good. They're completely dry now. I love them. Also, MAC used to have a shade like this, and I feel like this is that shade, but better. Do y'all remember this? I forget what they were called. They were good. This is better. I've been into these big old floofers lately. I'm vibing with them. We were wearing smaller lashes for a while, but I don't know. These are just kind of it right now. These are from Lava Lashes, and they are in the style Theron. I love them. Here's a really good tip if you're gonna wear floofers. Floofers, I'm gonna call them that. I'm sorry. That's what we're gonna call them. When you wear these larger lashes, they're gonna have a little bit bigger lash band. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a black eyeliner and I'm just going to kind of draw from where that lash band starts and just continue it. Doing this hides that lash band, and it's very subtle, but up close it makes a major difference. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try this off camera. I'm gonna film a TikTok, but before y'all start screaming and squawking at me, I'm gonna post that TikTok here tonight. So we're gonna go give this a try over there, and it'll be my first impressions on it. I'm really excited to try it. It is definitely no makeup though. All right, let's finish up the eye. We're gonna grab this Cara Beauty shadow. It's like a pinky green flip. Let's pop this on our inner corner. And then, if you just wanna add a little touch of extra spice, grab just a little bit on your finger, look at that. And we'll just kind of place this through the center of the lid. My goodness! I still want to be able to see my skin through there, but look how pretty that looks. That's spicy. Let's put on a little bit of lip liner. I already kind of started. This is from ColourPop. It's in the shade Oh Snap. And I'm going to be wearing this gloss here from NYX. It's blue. You guys know I love a blue gloss. It's not as scary as you think. That's good enough. Okay, so really fast. A lot of times when you have these skin serums, the Fenty one, these ones that are very light, they separate on the skin. I don't know what it is, but I want to tell you, I'm so surprised in this one because it did not. It just went on like skincare with a tint. That's what it is. I think I found my favorite new no makeup. This, honestly, this just looks so good. I can't explain to you. Maybe you know, but they tend to just want to be like, eh. This one did not. It's so good. I was gonna wait for the TikTok, but I had to tell y'all now. I really got way too excited. This launches, does it tell me? Can't find it. Let me Google it. And I just want to remind you that they are so sheer. I'm telling you, it's just skincare with a hint of tint. Already available. I love them. But don't be alarmed when you only see 5 shades. I think it was 5 shades. When I just can't stress to you enough, it is just skincare with a tint. Not even a tinted moisturizer. It is just it's a serum. It's basically see-through with just a touch of pigment. This is the gloss that I have on. A lot of times nude lipsticks, they can run very warm, but the blue in this gloss is really gonna tone that down, neutralize it. I love blue gloss. I know a lot of times we'll look at this and go, what the heck am I gonna do with a blue gloss? But as you can see, it's really see-through, and it just kind of brings a neutral look to all of your nude lipsticks. NYX really wowed me today. I'm gonna go get pictures. I'm gonna post all of the details later. These are just amazing. I mean, look at that. Amazing. Amazing. I love you guys with all my heart. I'm thinking about doing some smoky eyes this week for sure too. I haven't done graphic in a minute, so this was really fun. And I think that's it. Let's call it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Love y'all, and I will see you tomorrow.